start with one of the most popular ways people are using ChatGPT today: content creation. This could mean blog writing, YouTube scripts, or even social media management. The goal here is to create content that brings in traffic and eventually revenue. So example of how you can use this is by blogging. Blogging for ad revenue. Blogging is an excellent way to start, especially if you pick topics that are high in demand and trending. For instance, a blog on how to set up a remote business with AI could attract readers interested in digital transformation, right? So you can use ChatGPT to draft the blog posts and optimize them for SEO. Try tools like Ahrefs and Google Trends to find keywords, then ask ChatGPT to incorporate them into your blog post naturally. So once you've done this and you're consistent, you are going to be getting traffic on your posts, and you'll be eligible for monetization or AdSense. And if you've watched this point, I'm happy to know that you're enjoying this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. So once you have consistent traffic, you can monetize your Google AdSense or other ad networks. So according to Hotpot, 77% of internet users read blogs every day. So which means that a consistent blog can bring valuable traffic to you. For example, I have a blog, and that blog brings me some kind of money, okay? Not so much, but at least a large extent. So these are different ways that I earn money from blogging without Google AdSense. Now, my blog has a ADR above 70, and so that automatically means that there's a huge traffic coming into my website. One of the ways that I earn money from that is by sponsored posts and link insertion. Do follow link or link insertion, whichever one you understand it to be. Now what it means is that, for example, you can see something like this. The people will send me mails to say, oh, we want to promote our post, and for sponsored posts, which is written by them, not me, I charge $50. So I talked about sponsored posts, right? So the second way which I earn money from my blog, apart from AdSense, is what? By link insertion. Okay, some people will want just link, or they bring in a link from their website and attach it to my own website. Okay, my blog, I mean to say. So this could be anything. So let's assume you own a website, okay, and then you want my audience to notice your website. You want my audience to find interest in your products or your services that you offer. What you can simply mean is to ask for a do full link, and for this I charge as high as $35. So imagine you are earning $35 every day. These are basically a few of the ways you can earn money from with blogging. And then ChatGPT is going to do a lot of work for you to create amazing content. But example 2 is YouTube content creation. So did you know that the number of YouTube channels earning $10,000 or more annually has grown by 40% over the year, showing that video content creation can be a solid income stream. Now, YouTube content is a major player. For example, educational channels, tech reviews, or how to do videos often see high engagement. So you can use ChatGPT to write detailed, engaging scripts based on what's trending in your niche. So personally, I would advise to pick a niche in any industry like AI, finance, hospitality, software, etc. But ensure that it is something that interests you so that you can have motivation to always create content in that niche. So with consistency, you can always monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships, digital courses, and then of course affiliate links. Number 3 is social media content for brands. And don't forget about social media. Businesses need engaging posts, captions, and creative ideas to grow their followings, okay? So let's say you're managing an Instagram account for a fitness influencer. ChatGPT can help you plan content, write captions, create post ideas, making your job a lot easier. Okay, so you can offer social media management as a service. Start with smaller brands and then you scale up. Use ChatGPT to batch create your content, weekly posts or captions, and then schedule them using tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Many of social media managers charge anywhere around $300 to $2,000 per month, depending on your scope. Okay, so you have to scale up and do a good job so you can charge very well. So section 2, freelance services. The freelancing industry is thriving, and with ChatGPT as your tool, you can stand out by working faster and smarter. Example number 1 is copywriting for small businesses. Copywriting is high in demand, and small businesses are always looking for good copy to boost their online presence. For one, I am a content writer, so I can tell you for free that it is booming. Say you are hired to write a landing page for an e-commerce website. ChatGPT can draft engaging keyword optimized copy that captures the brand's message. To get started, create a Fiverr or Upwork account, offer services like landing page copywriting or email marketing copy. Use ChatGPT to draft versions, then add your own expertise to personalize. Most freelancers in copywriting earn between $25 to $100 per hour, depending on your experience. So to buttress these points, I'm going to show you my Upwork profile to see how much I've earned so far on Upwork as a freelance content writer. So you can see this amount I have actually earned so far as a freelance copywriter on Upwork, and over $1,000, and I've not been consistent. So example 2 is virtual assistant for AI tasks. As more companies adopt AI, there is a growing need for virtual assistants with AI know-how. Okay, so picture this: a business needs someone to help with customer inquiries, scheduling, and content creation. ChatGPT can help you with drafting responses, creating reports, and even curating resources. So list yourself as a tech-savvy virtual assistant on platforms like remote.co, FlexJobs, and make sure you highlight your proficiency with ChatGPT and AI tools. A virtual assistant with AI expertise can earn as high as $20 to $40. And example 3 is email marketing campaign. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach customers. Okay, so let's say a fashion boutique hires you to run a holiday campaign. ChatGPT can help you design series of email templates from welcome messages to promotions. Offer email campaign services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Use ChatGPT to generate subject lines, body contents, call to actions, and then customize for brand. Well optimized email marketing can drive sales, and many businesses are willing to pay as high as $500 or more for an effective email marketing campaign. Lastly, let's look at educational and tutoring services. ChatGPT can make educational content creation simpler than ever. So whether you are teaching online or writing study guides, it can do it for you. Example number 1 is online courses for beginners. Online courses are huge right now, especially for niche skills. So imagine creating a course called AI for non-techies or digital marketing 101. ChatGPT can assist you with outlining models, writing lessons, and creating quizzes. So choose platforms like Teachable or Udemy and create an outline. So let me tell you, even Canva can help you to amazing ebook, and Canva is free. Choose a platform like Teachable or Udemy and create an outline. Use ChatGPT to write out content for each module, add videos or visuals, and start marketing the course. So many online courses generate anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on the topic and reach. It can be more. Example 2 is ebooks for passive incomes. Ebooks are another fantastic way to share knowledge. For example, let's say you write an ebook on freelancing tips for AI. ChatGPT can help you to plan that content, draft chapters, and even suggest cover designs. Sell your ebook on Amazon or your website and use ChatGPT to make sure that the writing flows and is easy to understand. Ebooks can be a great source of passive income with sales ranging from a few dollars to $100 per month, and you can use Canva to create an amazing ebook for free. Example 3 is tutoring services in a specific subject. So lastly, tutoring is a fantastic way to earn, especially for subjects like coding, and create practice, exercises, summaries, and examples that can keep students engaged. Use yourself as a tutor on platforms like Wizard or Superproof. Use ChatGPT to enhance your resources, quizzes, summaries, or mock tests. So many of these online tutors earn from $20 to as high as $50 per hour, especially if you specialize in subjects that are very, very high in demand. So these are just some of the fantastic ways to start making money with ChatGPT in 2025. Remember, the key is to pair your unique skills with AI tools to enhance your value and efficiency. So whether it's content creation, freelancing, or education, ChatGPT can be your partner in building an income stream that fits your goal. Try this out and find out what works best for you, and then keep building your skills. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then look forward to my next amazing video. It means a lot to me.